Hi, I'm Mike Esker and welcome to This Old Geek. Now you may have seen in my last video that I started a new project showing you how to make these paper mache balls. I made two of them here. In that video I only made one. So these are all dried. There's like at least 3 layers of paper mache on each one of these and they're all completely dried. And what I'm going to do now is cut them open and take out what was inside. So I'm going to do, now you can do this wherever, but in this project I'm going to do it like this. Usually I use an X-Acto knife, but I could not find mine. Okay, so now I have these all taped together, paper mache again. I paper mache where I taped, where I had cut them open. And you want to put a couple layers around there so it's nice and sturdy. So I actually cut them open a little bit more than I wanted to. I wanted to really just do a little section, but I wound up cutting them almost in half, which is not what I wanted to do, but that's okay. I can fix that. And so I'm just going to let these dry. So I have both of these hollowed out and I taped them and paper mache them all back together, and they're all dry now. They're completely hollow. So for this project I'm going to do some more cutting here. So once again I'm going to use this knife because I can't find my X-Acto knife. I made some markings where I want to cut these. Now to get these back together, I'm going to use my glue gun, my hot glue gun, I should say. Now I can't stress anymore the importance of being very careful when you use one of these, because they call it hot glue for a reason. And if you're not careful, you can injure yourself pretty badly. Glue's pretty dry. I'm gonna do a little taping. Now I have these all taped, hot glued, and paper mache together. Everything's dry. Now for the next step in getting my armature ready, my base ready. And the next video after this is going to be a bit more advanced, intermediate to advanced. And right now, and if you haven't guessed already what it is I'm trying to do, you'll be able to here soon. You can leave a comment below if you'd like. I'll give a little hint, it is Halloween related, even though Halloween was a few days ago. So you can either say this video is going to be late or very, very early. So I'm using my old trusty aluminum foil here. And there you go. Now it's all ready for the next step. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, the next one is going to be a little bit more advanced. So until next time, have a great day.